Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson. And for this one, we're going to talk about the base work. It's about laid concrete, 50 millimeter thickness into the ground slab. Okay, let's go to our detail. As I mentioned earlier with the previous lesson, so there are two types of slab. One is the ground GF slab inside the house, and another one is eternal one is SOG, or we can call it SG. So for the external slab, we don't need a link concrete. As you can see, the typical of it, it doesn't show a link concrete below it. But for the ground floor slab inside the house, it did mention that we need a link concrete 50 millimeter. So we need to find this one as well. So right now we need to put our mouse right here, and then we go to our layout. So basically the ground floor slab is inside the house. Here's the boundary of it. So in here are the slab of the GF slab. As the previous lesson, we already calculated the outside one and the front one. So this time is for the inside house only. Okay, let's start it. So first of all, we need to polyline the area below the slab that need link concrete 50 millimeter thickness. And then you click C enter. Make sure you got the area, as you can see, because right here are the beam. So inside is the slab that have the link concrete below it. So we do the same with another span here as well. You can do rectangle as well, but I just want to, use a polyline command, just step by step. C enter, and another one as well, the same thing, of a span of the slab. Okay, right here, and C enter again. Yep. Then you enter, you do it again. Okay, and C enter again. Okay, the same thing. And close again. Okay. Here, let's do one by one so you know exactly how to do it. Here as well. Okay, and C enter again. Okay, C enter. Okay. Okay. Or you can use rectangle as well, but as I mentioned earlier, okay, I just want to do one by one for you guys. Okay, make sure that you know exactly what to do, not too fast. Okay, C enter. Check. After you get, yeah, 3 length, and the last one, just click C enter. Yep, so you can close it. Yep, something like that. Enter again, you draw the polyline again, close this one as well. Okay. Okay. See enter again, and in here as well. Just make sure that we got all the area. that we need. Okay, you see enter, you can see. So right now we got all the inside area of GF slab that we need link concrete below it. Okay, we got all of it. From the outside, as I mentioned earlier, we don't need link concrete as the detail mentioned right here. The outside one, the SOG or SG, we don't need the link concrete. But the inside one, the ground floor slab, we need the link concrete 50mm thickness. Alright. So now we got the area that we need. Then we use the command is IL, isolate layer, and then click enter. Enter again. And as you can see, we got only the area that we need for our link concrete. And then we go to QS Auto Pro utility and then click total area, or you can type the short command QSTA. Okay, and then you select all of it and then click enter. Boom. So we now got the area, total area of it is 123.51 square meter. And as we know that we type LO, layer open back, and as we know the link concrete thickness is 50mm, so we type 0.05 in it. Okay, the same as above, so we just copy it and pass it right here, as you can see. So we got, yeah, we got the height times the square meter, and then we will get the cubic meter of the link concrete for ground slab. Let me copy it, pass it here, make sure it look nice and clean. Okay, and now we have done the link concrete for ground floor slab. So we need to double check. You put your mouse on it and then click find your item in AutoCAD, as you can see. So the highlight item is the area that we need, and also provide the detail that the quantity that we have here is based on this area on the layout, basically inside only, that we need the link concrete 50mm thickness. And this is the end for our link concrete for the ground slab. And thank you for watching. See you guys for the next lesson.